Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place.
Hey guys, what's up? It's China back at it again with another video. And yes, I'm wearing the same shirt from the last video because I like to film multiple videos. Today is going to be another haul video, but not clothing. It's going to be a makeup haul slash what I got from my Target quota. I am a beauty consultant, so I got a little goodie bag with a whole bunch of skincare and makeup in it, and I just wanted to show you guys. So please give this video a huge thumbs up if you guys want me to show you guys what I get on our quota every month, like all the products that we get in our little goodie bag. And if you want to see more makeup hauls, because I needed a few new things, and working in Target, especially in the beauty section, I'm in the beauty section all day, so it's just making me buy things more than I should. But yes, so this is the bag that I got at Target. I got a few things that I needed, a few things that I wanted to try, and yeah, so let's just get into it. So the first thing that I got is always feminine wipes. I always like to have feminine wipes. If you're a woman, you know. So I'm not even gonna explain it. But these were, I think, $3.99 or $2.99, I'm not sure. It comes with 32 wipes. I usually get the, I can't even think right now guys, but there's another brand that I usually get, but I heard that they're not good. I will look it up. I'll put the picture right here, the logo right here. They said that they're not really good for down there, so I gotta find a new brand. I'm gonna try these out, and yeah, hopefully these are good. And then I got some makeup wipes. I got the Up and Up refreshing wet cleansing towelettes, and they're with vitamin E, and they remove the makeup because I've been needing that for a while. So I got these were like $1.99, and it comes with 30 wipes, which is amazing. Another skin product I got is something that I've been eyeing because I don't know, it just looks like it's such a good product. But it is this it's new actually too. It says it's the Vino Calm and Restore for sensitive skin, which I have sensitive skin. It is their Nourishing Oat Cleanser. It just looks like this, and it gently cleanses and hydrates to preserve skin's moisture barrier, which I need because my skin's been really dry lately. It's fragrance-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, alcohol-free, dye-free, phthalate-free, non-comedogenic, hypoallergenic, and tested on sensitive skin. This was about $8.99, and I'm just really excited to try this. I love the packaging as well. Like, I don't know what it is, this teal color with the color of the actual cleanser just looks so aesthetically pleasing. But yes, I'm really excited to try this. For makeup, I got a few products in, okay, so in the Target beauty section, they have a section where it's like all travel size makeup and stuff like that. So there was like a few things that I wanted to pick up, and I got 3 lip products because my lips, you guys know, in every video I'm telling you guys that I have chapped lips. So I got 3 new makeup products. So the first thing I got is the St. Ives lip scrub in Juicy Watermelon. I'm pretty sure this was like $2.99. I'm really excited to try this. Now that I did this video, I can, so it's exciting. And then I got this Tree Hut. You guys know I love Tree Hut for their sugar scrubs, so I'm sure that their like chapsticks would be amazing too. But this is just their Tree Hut sugar lips lip butter. It's Nourish and Renew, made with shea butter and rose hip oil. It just looks like this, and we have like 2 bins of it in that section, and I just keep looking at it. It smells so good too. Yes ma'am. Then the last product that I got is this Vaseline Lip Therapy. Just looks like that, and it's their rosy lips, so I'm guessing there's like a little tint to it. And yeah, you know, Vaseline is really good for stuff like that, so I got this. Was like $1.99. I think this was like $2.99, so all inexpensive. And then the last thing that I got in that section is a new makeup bag, because the one that I have, like the thing that I used to close it, broke, so I just got this one. This was on sale. This was like $5.50 I think. It's by their Hearts brand. Has lots of room. Lastly, I got some makeup products, and the first thing that I got is from Elf. picked out one product from Elf because I just feel like I really needed it, and it's just a new blending brush. It's their ultimate blending, their ultimate blending brush. Their 84034 brush. I love their brushes. They're like the first brushes that I ever used back in the day when I like started makeup. So I just decided to get this one. This was like, do not quote me on it, $7, $6, $5, don't remember. But yeah, happy that I got this. And then I went into the NYX section. Well, the Wet n Wild section is next to the Elf section, so I just picked this up because I really wanted to try it. And it's their Wet n Wild Hello Halo blush lighter. So I'm guessing this is the blush on this side, and then this is the highlighter. And I don't use highlighter much, but I want to get into it now. Again, I used to love highlighter back in the day, and I got it in the color Flash Me, which is more of like deeper toned blush and highlighter. So I really can't wait to use this. It's like $5.99, I think. And then I got two products from NYX, and the first thing that I got is their NYX Bare With Me Concealer Serum, which I'm pretty sure is like a tinted moisturizer kind of, because they're using it on their whole face instead of like under their eyes, just under their eyes like concealer. And I got it in the shade Deep Golden, which looks a little dark when I put it on my hand, but I can make it work. I can never get the perfect shade unless it's the Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Foundation. But this, I'm really excited to try. I will let you guys know how this works. And then the last thing I got from NYX is another highlighter palette, two-side palette, and it's their Born to Glow Icy Highlighter. So I got the one that seems like it would be better for more deeper tones, and I got one, it's like a gold side, there we go, and then like a champagne pink side. It's their Rock Candy and Golden Cuff shades. This was about $5.99, I think, $6.99, not sure. That's all I got from Target that I bought. Now for the fun stuff, my little goodie bag that I got from work. And then this video is done. So I already looked through the bag already. Lots of stuff. They gave candy as well, which I took out of the bag. And so first we got like multiple samples, like apparently everybody gets like different stuff. So yeah, the first thing that I got is this Palmer's Cocoa Butter Daily Skin 48 Moisture body lotion sample, just like this. And then I got the Derma E Scar Gel, which is pretty interesting. I don't have many scars, but I'm sure this will come in handy. I feel like Mike can use this because he's always like doing that. And then I got the Skin Food Body Butter, which is really exciting. A lot of products that I would like to, that I wanted to try like brand wise, and it would be exciting. It's exciting that I have some samples. And then I got two Mighty patches, which are the patches you put on pimples and blemishes. Then I got the L'Oreal Revitalift Pure Hyaluronic Acid Serum, just like this. And yeah, sorry if I keep looking in the viewfinder. I'm trying to make sure that it's focused. Yes, just try to make sure that it's focused. But yeah, this is just what it looks like. And then I got a Covergirl Clean Fresh Skincare Weightless Water Cream, 72-hour hydration, which sounds amazing. And then I don't know who this is gonna be used for, because I really don't need this one. But it is the Technologist Face and Body Drops Self Tan Drops. Yeah, I'm not gonna need this, but I'm sure this can come in handy for someone that I know. And then I got this Rock Bounce Back in One Night Multi Correction Hydrate and Plump Serum Capsules. Oh, reduces wrinkles and stuff. Don't think I need this either. Then I got this Luminous That's Neck and Decolate Serum, hydrates, lifts, and smooths. So yeah, that's it for all the samples. And then for the full size, travel size products, also got these samples as well. The Method Body Pure Peace Soothing Lotion, things you could just like throw in your purse type thing. And then I got this Main Magic 10-in-1 split end mender, which sounds really good. Really can't wait to try this. For travel size products, which is like actual bottles, I got this Elf Holy Hydration Eye Cream, which is amazing. I can't wait to try this. Yeah, got it in there, the little travel size. And then I got the Cerave Hydrating Facial Cleanser for normal to dry skin, and I definitely have dry skin. They obviously listen to me. And I got it in a little bottle, which is so cute. And then I got a Degree Advanced 72-hour dry spray in Cool Rush, which is also this. Things I could put in my purse. And then I got the Cetaphil Healing Ointment Skin Protectant for dry, chapped, and irritated skin. All Mirror Hair protects and relieves, free mineral oil and stuff like that, and fragrance, so perfect for my sensitive skin as well. And now for the full-size products, I got quite a bit. The first thing I got is this nail polish by Sinful Colors. The shade Pink Smart, which is really pretty pink for spring and summertime. Even though I'm gonna be going back to Kathy, I'll probably paint my nails once before I get my nails done by her. But yeah, you guys already know how that goes. And then I got this full-size Arches and Halos Tanya Crooks Professional Brow. Never heard of this brand, but I do see it in the store. It kind of looks like the NYX Micro Brow or like the e.l.f. brow pencil, so I'm really excited to try. I got it in the color Charcoal, which is pretty accurate for me, so yeah, excited to try. And then I got this Rosin Skincare Super Smoothie Cleanser. Yeah, it's a cleanser. Sorry guys, I can't talk. It has lemon, strawberry, raspberry. It says cleanser for dull skin and dark marks, which is great. And the color is interesting, but this is what it looks like. Full size, amazing. And then I got a shampoo and a conditioner by Pro V. It's their Miracle Moisture Boost Sulfate-Free Shampoo and Conditioner. Just looks like this. I don't know if this is full size. This is by Pantene though. I think this is travel size as well. Well, bigger than travel size, but travel size, I guess. And yeah, packaging has rose water in it. Ooh, it smells really good too. I definitely would try this. Sulfate free. And then I got an eyeliner by Maybelline. It is their Master Precise All Day Liquid Liner in black. And you guys know I don't do the liner thing, but I'll definitely give it a try because I have it. And then I got this Vital Proteins Collagen Peptides dietary supplement that you just put in a drink. It has no flavor to it, so it's not like a wearing taste. It's tasteless, so you just mix it with your water and call it a day. And then the last thing that I got is this Dickinson's Original Witch Hazel Pore Perfecting Toner. There we go. It just looks like this. And it's fragrance free, and it's a gentle skincare, gently cleanses and conditions pores to maintain clear, smooth, and balanced skin without over drying. 100% natural distilled witch hazel. Witch hazel is very good. And yeah, that's all that I got in my little bag that is bigger sized. That is all that I got in my little goodie bag from work. And if you guys want me to show you guys what I get every month, I would be able to do it. Because clearly, they give us some really great products. Oh my gosh, the bag's ripping now. But yes, I'm very thankful to be getting this. I also got a card from the lead of the beauty section. That is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Please give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoyed my haul. And yes, I will see you guys in my next video. Peace. Told you wasn't with me waking up. Now you said I couldn't miss your touch.